Hello and welcome back to this video series on how to use the Amplify Brokerage. In this very short video, we will show you an easy tip for how to secure your account and protect your assets using two-factored authentication or 2FA, sometimes referred to as multi-factored authentication or MFA. Let's talk about how to secure your Amplify Brokerage account with 2FA MFA, starting with the Amplify Exchange homepage, which is amplifyexchange.com. Click the sign in button and log in using your email and password that you used to register during your onboarding process. If you need help with onboarding, you can check out our recent video on this channel that walks you through how to become a level 1 trader. Very simply, once you log in, click the drop down arrow in the top right corner and select account settings. Once you land on the account settings page, you will see several options, including your current verification status, two-factored authorization settings, your personal details, and your AMPX use settings. Click the slider to turn on Enable Two-Factor Authentication. You will be presented with a window where you can click Enable Now to begin the setup process. You can now use your Authenticator app such as Authy or Google Authenticator to scan the barcode provided. Your Authenticator app will then present you with a 6-digit code to enter into the screen on Amplify. Simply type that number, and once verified, you will have enabled two-factor authentication and will have protected your assets. Make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications to this channel so you can be the first to know when a new educational content is available. Stay tuned for our next video in the How to Use the Amplify Brokerage video series and amplify your digital assets.